Good morning, everyone. Welcome back, ma. See, after a long back, we have came back with our subjects. All of you open your Max textbook. Now I'll start the chapter 5, that is triangle and its properties. Okay, triangle and its properties. First of all, what is meant by triangle? A triangle is nothing but what? Tell me. Which have three line segments. Okay, it is a closed figure made up of three line segments. That is nothing but a triangle. Yes or no? Yes. And now we are having the classification of triangles also. Based on sides, triangles are of three types. Okay, are of three types. How many types? Three types based on sides and triangles. See, if you come with your sides, a triangle having all three sides of equal length is called an equilateral triangle. Okay, which is having all equal lengths. That is that is nothing but a equilateral triangle. And a triangle having two sides of equal length is called isosceles triangle. If you are having any two sides in a triangle or equal, that is nothing but a isosceles triangle. If all the three sides of a triangle are of different length, the triangle is called a scalene triangle. Okay, see here, this is your triangle, and triangle is divided into two types based on sides and based on angles. If you come with your based on sides, see, all sides are equal in a triangle, that is nothing but equilateral triangle. Any two sides are equal in a triangle, that is isosceles triangle. No, means all the three sides are different in length. Okay, that is nothing but a scalene triangle. Okay, next, if you come with your based on angles, see, in your triangle all sides are having an acute angles. Acute angles is nothing but below 90 degrees. Okay, that is nothing but a acute angled triangle. Okay, what is obtuse angle? Obtuse angle is nothing but a triangle whose one angle is obtuse. Obtuse is nothing but greater than 90 degrees is nothing but a obtuse angle triangle. Okay, this is your obtuse angle triangle. And right angle. Right angle means what? Right angle triangle means any one angle is having a right angle. That is nothing but a right angle triangle. Okay, this is your classification of triangle based on sides and based on angles: equilateral, isosceles, scalene, acute angle, right angle, and obtuse angle. Okay, next, here a clear picture is given in a table. These are the types of triangle: acute angle, right angle, and obtuse. This is your equilateral, scalene. Okay, for scalene two sides are equal. For equilateral all sides are equal. Sorry, for isosceles two sides are equal. For scalene no side is not equal, means different lengths. Okay, and this is your right angle, this is your obtuse angle triangle. Okay, yes, next, yes, see here example in page number 92. Here some of the lengths is given for a triangle. With that length, can we make a triangle or can we form a triangle or not? That one you have to notify. Okay, suppose if you see here 6 centimeters, 5 centimeters, and 8 centimeters is given, you have to take as length AB equal to 6 centimeters, BC equal to 5 centimeters, and CA equal to 8 centimeters. Okay, can we form a triangle or not by these lengths? Now we'll see. How can you see that one? See, if you sum any two sides, that should be greater than the length of the third side. Okay, that should be greater than the length of the third side. For suppose here, if you see here 6 centimeters, 5 centimeters, and 8 centimeters is given. Let AB equal to 6 centimeters, BC equal to 5 centimeters, and CA equal to 8 centimeters. Now, if you add these two, the sum of these two sides is greater than the third side. Okay, afterwards, if you add these two, the sum of these two lengths these two sides is greater than the third side. Okay, like that you have to check. Clear? And the sum of these two sides is greater than the third side. For suppose C, same like that only. AB plus BC equal to 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5 equal to 11. 11 is greater than the 8. Yes or no? Yes. BC plus CA, 5 plus 8, 13. 13 is greater than 6. Okay. Next, CA plus AB, 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8 equal to 14. 14 is greater than the 5 centimeters. Okay. By the condition, we can conclude that since the sum of lengths of any two sides is greater than the length of the third side, the triangle is possible. Okay. Like that you have to check whether triangle is formed or not by given sides. Okay. Same as it is like that only you are having exercise 1. In that exercise 1 you are having 4 problems. Just do that 4 problems and draw the triangle also by using scale. Okay, whether it is possible or not, that one you have to check by using this. Okay, and afterwards by using this lens draw a triangle in your classwork also. Clear? This is about your exercise 1. Afterwards, altitudes and median of a triangle. Okay, what is meant by altitude and median of a triangle? See here, altitude is nothing but if you are having any line segment, if you draw any line segment, so for suppose here it is a triangle ABC. Okay, if you are draw any line segment from the vertex to any point of the line segment, that is denoted by D here. Okay, whatever the line segment is drawing here, that is your altitude. Okay, this in this figure BD line segment is a altitude. Okay, is a altitude. Clear? This is your altitude and it is a, what is this length? Height of the BD is nothing but your this length. Okay, whatever the height of BD this line segment is length. Okay, this is your, what is the length is having for BD, that is your height of the altitude. Okay, clear? This is about your altitude. And coming to the median. Median, for suppose your triangle is having like this. Okay, for this vertex from midpoint, here it is a triangle ABC. Okay, for the midpoint draw any line segment, okay, to the vertex like this. Okay, these midpoints, whatever the line segment is joining at the midpoint is nothing but a median. Okay, here ABC is the triangle, DEF are the medians. Okay, BD is the median, AE is the median and FC is also median. And whatever the point is joining all the medians, that is at the center point, is called a centroid. Okay, what is that? It is called as centroid. See, the line segments which join the vertex from the triangle vertex of the triangle to the midpoint. Okay, here it is the vertex and here it is the midpoint. Join the line segment, join the vertex of the triangle to the midpoint to the opposite sides. Okay, to the opposite sides like this. Opposite sides called as medians. Okay, median of the triangle. And the point of concurrence, this is your point of concurrence, is called the centroid. Clear? This is about, this is the difference between the altitude and median. Clear? Once go through this. After that, start exercise 2. Okay, here the exercise 2 is the, in triangle ABC, D is the midpoint of BC. Okay, here D is the midpoint of BC. What is AD? I said already, he is given clearly that AD is the midpoint, means D is the midpoint. AD is what then? Median. Okay, what is that? Median. And what is AE? AE is the altitude. Okay, AE is the altitude, AD is the median, and AE is the altitude. This is your first question. Coming to the second question, name the triangle in which two altitudes of the triangle are of two its sides. Okay, what is the triangle? Right angled triangle. Two altitudes of the triangle are of two its sides, that is nothing but a right angled triangle. See third one, does the median always lie in the interior of the triangle? Yes, median will always lies on the interior of the triangle. Next, does an altitude always lie in the interior of a triangle? Maybe, may not be. Why? Because in some cases it will not lie interior only, it will happen in exterior points also. Okay, here it is the yes and here it is no. Fifth one, write the side opposite to the vertex y in triangle xyz. What is that? In triangle xyz, this is your triangle xyz, and he is asking about opposite to vertex y. Okay, what is the opposite to vertex y in triangle yz? Yeah. Okay, okay, see here y की opposite का ఏ side ఉంది నాన్న ఇక్కడ xz. yes or no? y की opposite గా xz ఉంది, సో ద ఈక్వల్ టు xz అని రాయండి. క్లియర్? నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, రైట్ ది యాంగిల్ opposite to PQ in PQR, in triangle PQR. This is your PQR. This is your second question and this is your first question. Opposite to PQ, what? Angle P, wait, write the angle opposite to side PQ. This is your angle की opposite ఏముంది? PR. yes or no? Next, vertex opposite to side, this is your triangle ABC. side AC की vertex opposite vertex ఏముంది? B. okay, AC की opposite vertex అడుగుతున్నాడు, so that is B. clear? this is your third question. okay, see here, opposite to PQ की angle అడుగుతున్నాడు కదా. what is the angle for opposite PQ? the angle is this one, angle P. okay, answer is angle P. okay, this is your exercise 2. after that, see, now I am going to tell you how to write the class, how to start the classwork. okay, first put a main heading as triangle and its properties. after that, side heading triangle and పెట్టేసి, తర్వాత ఏంటి, a triangle is a closed figure made up of 3 line segments అని రాసి, ఇవి 3 స్టెప్స్ రాసి ట్రయాంగిల్ డ్రా చేయండి. ఓకే, afterwards classification of triangle. okay, in that classification of triangle, write down from here to here and draw these diagrams also for each and every triangle. okay, next, start write down this example 1. afterwards start exercise 1. తర్వాత altitudes of a triangle and heading పెట్టేసి ఈ ట్రయాంగిల్ డ్రా చేసి, write down from here to thus అని రాయకండి, the line segment AD from here to here write down. afterwards median and side heading పెట్టేసి ఈ ట్రయాంగిల్ డ్రా చేసి ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ వరకు రాసేయండి. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ స్టార్ట్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 2 అండ్ కంప్లీట్ దిస్ వన్. తర్వాత ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఆఫ్ ట్రయాంగిల్ అని పెట్టేసి యాంగిల్ సమ్ ప్రాపర్టీ ఆఫ్ ఎ ట్రయాంగిల్ అని పెట్టి ఈ ప్రూఫ్ రాయండి. ఓకే, ఈ ప్రూఫ్ ఏదైతే ఉందో ఇక్కడ వరకు రాసేయండి టోటల్గా, అండ్ రైట్ డౌన్ దిస్ ఆల్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఆల్సో. ఓకే, I will tell you the explanation of that proof in your next class, and based on these examples we'll start the exercise 3 in your next class. Okay, this is about your today's class, ma. If you are having any doubt, just comment me. Okay, we'll meet in next class, ma. Thank you. Bye.